guys, I'm back again with more video. No, you gotta keep going, you gotta keep going. Oh, I love you, Sniper Monkey. How much I love you. I think why you're not allowed to use them. Ninja monkeys. Let's go slow-mo. Actually, let's sell that one. Move it. Yep, perfect. Slow-mo. Fast-mo. Slow-mo. This is so easy. Sort of. It's really hard. What should I get next? I'm a dirt monkey. Faster. Oh my gosh, I just love watching it go fast. Oh, you know, we got the beginning ones. No. Come on, Sniper Monkey. Keep going. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Airplane Monkey, you can do it, you can do it. Go, 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 go. Ah, good monkeys. Round 9. Second last round. I'm gonna put another one. We need more. We need more darts coming in. We need more monkeys. We need more darts. Keep going, keep going, keep going, monkeys. Holy cow, this is nice. Exactly what does that village monkey do? Oh, this game, it's so fun and addicting. I can't use anything when you reach the max. Yep. That was Ninja Monkeys Can Pop Camo Balloons. We captured a river terrain tile. You know what I'm going to do with that river terrain tile? You know what I'm going to do with it? I'm making a watermill. We need more. Energy, watermill. Oh gosh. Go on, keep building. I love you, airplane. That's hard. Oh, you know what we need? We need more boomer. No, I don't need more boomerangs. What does a pineapple stand do? House of ice, glue gun, darting gun. Nice. How much are you? Sure, Super Monkey, go ahead. So much energy. We totally need one of those. Don't care. Let's go try these out now. Yeah, epic battle. Do you want a hard one? Let's go look at that one. Sure. Do a medium. This with the dart Gatling gun. Oh Okay. We need more boomerangs. Holy cow! Yo, that thing is overpowered. Like, it just like shoots everything, illuminating everything. Oh no. When you just learn that these are too hard. Perhaps. Yeah, let's put a dart monkey here. Long range darts. I need more Gatling guns. All around. More dart Gatling guns. Okay. So what I was doing now, I was thinking that we should sell that one. Go, 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 go! Oh my gosh. Nice. Instant murder. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, well, this morning. Okay, okay. Wait. Did it just move? Or can I not move? Goodbye. Woo! Yes! Wizard. I don't get why, but this thing's so overpowered. Ooh, we should totally get a cannon. We'll try to save it for a ninja monkey. Because they're overpowered. Oh yeah, heck yeah. We got a Gatling gun. Can we have my... No. Oh, let's see. Okay, so I can control it with my finger. Nope. Oops. No. Hey, no, 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 no. Oh my gosh, you can control it with my fingers. Hey, look at this. Oh. Oh, I love that Gatling gun. We need more! We need more! Just one facing the other way. Oh gosh. Let's go get another darting gun. Gauge. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay, bye guys. I'll have to record another video. Bye.